Hi everybody, so yes, as you guessed, I'm on Smo's Street Triple. Never ridden one of these before, really wanted to for a long time. Come on! Fuck yes! Oh, this is nice! The handling on this is really... I wasn't expecting it to be like this. It's very firm, but very predictable, it feels. I mean, Jesus, I've only been riding it 2 minutes, how do I know? It sounds absolutely gorgeous. See, the thing is, I've really wanted to ride some Triumphs, but unfortunately Triumph have not been very forthcoming with lending of bikes, so at least I get to have a little bit of an idea of what they're like. Problem is now I want to try one more. The low down mid-range power is nice. Properly. Feels quite small bars though. I think I'd like slightly longer bars. This should sound fucking good. Smo, you lucky boy! The ride is really smooth. It's quite firm, but it's very smooth. It's very comfortable. I like it. Throttle response, really nice and progressive. Love it. Really comfy. See you later, mate. Good to see you.
Thank you, sir.
Fuck me, that's got some mid-range.
You have fun on it. Yeah.
Talky as fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice out of corners.
Now you can see why I was falling off a couple of times.
Sim is only available from Spicy110 at motoloot.com. Buy yours today. Don't be this guy.